channel. So friends, today I will talk about the ASUS ROG Zephyrus Duo SE 15 laptop. So friend, ASUS flagship AMD laptop, the ROG Zephyrus Duo SE 15 has been listed, and friend, it packs the instantly fast Ryzen 9 5980HX CPU, and friend, it is as high end as AMD's laptop can get, and this configuration is simply insane and also has overclocking support. And friend, this laptop's main tech feature is that it packs AMD Ryzen 5 5980HX flagship CPU, and friend, the AMD Ryzen 9 5980HX is an and friend, the AMD Ryzen 9 5980HX is in direct competition with the Intel Core i9 11980HK, both which features overclocking support. And friend, the AMD Ryzen 9 5980HX is configured with up to NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 3080 mobility GPUs. Through this is 15 SE variant specifically comes with the GeForce RTX 3060 GPU. And friend, the processor features brand new Gen 3 cores which we seen on the desktop Ryzen 5000 lineup. As such, we can accept some huge gains in single thread processor performance. And friend, specification wise, the AMD Ryzen 9 5980HX offers 8 cores and 16 threads. The chip features 16 MB of L3 cache and 4 MB of L2 cache. And friend, the base clock is rated at 3.30 GHz while the push clock is rated at 4.80 GHz. And friend, other features of the chip include enhanced Vega GPU and also overclocking support, which would be a first for AMD on the notebook segment. And friend, the HX series processor will come with a higher thermal range and TDPs rated at up to 54 watt plus. And friend, this laptop features ROG Aura Sync system with per key RGB keyboard, Wi-Fi 6 with range boost and Bluetooth 5.1. And friend, it features 16GB DDR4 3200. Okay. And friend, it features 16GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM, 1TB PCIe, NVMe M.2 SSD, and Windows 10 Home pre-installed. And friend, it has 300Hz 3ms 15.6-inch Full HD 1920x1080 IPS type Pantone validated display. And friend, I/O includes USB 3.2 Type C, USB 3.2 Type A, one HDMI 2.0B, RJ45 LAN port, 3.5mm combo jack, Wi-Fi 6 with Bluetooth 5.1, and 2x2 watt plus 2x4 watt plus speaker. And friend, powers come with a 280 watt AC adapter, except the pricing to be around $2000. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.